Here I have Motorola Moto G34, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly, you should open Contacts application. No, go away. Like this one, tap skip. Then you go to Fix and Manage, select Manage SIM. Like contacts should appear here, but for some reason we have to reopen application. You go to Fix and Manage, Manage SIM. So here you can see all your contacts which you have saved on your SIM card. By default they're all selected, but you can deselect some of them which you don't want to transfer. Then you just tap import, and after that these contacts will appear here on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.